and welcome to a session with good news of syllabus reduction for class 9th and 10th ICSE 2021 batch. This is Shweta Roy, your English master teacher at Vedantu, and I'm going to tell you about what has been reduced for the batch 2021. So yes, not much of a reduction although, but still a reduction is a reduction. So let's see what is the reduction all about. So as you know, class 9th ICSE students, what you all have two papers, right? English language and literature. So paper 1 will be the language paper, paper 2 is literature paper, right? So let's talk about the language paper. Remains the same. That means you need to have composition, you have letter, in which you are going to have choice of formal and informal as usual as before. And then the third topic is of course the email and the notice writing. So again that remains the same, so no basic changes, no major changes over here in paper 1. And paper paper 1 fourth topic is prose passage. Again you'll get a passage, you'll be given the short questions to write in order to test your understanding of the passage, and you also have the summary, the précis writing, which is still there intact, so no changes there as well. And question number 5, again you have grammar, right? So no major changes in paper 1. Paper 2, prose, poetry and drama. Okay, so there you have change. So let me talk about that change when I'll talk about the syllabus of class 10. So together I'll be talking about what has been removed. Okay, so let's see. ICSE class 10th, again two papers you have, literature, language, and language same, right? So 80-20, 80 is for the theoretical paper and the external one, and 20 marks is the internal exam, right? So you all know this. So what is the change over here? Let me talk about that. English language paper 1, again no change. Composition you have, so yes, informal letter, then formal letter, there will be a choice. Then of course notice writing and email writing, so you know that it comes for 5 marks each, so no major change there. Again unseen prose passage, when you will be getting a summary of précis writing and short questions to write. And then we have the grammar as well. Now talking about the Merchant of Venice play and poetry and prose. Merchant of Venice by our favorite William Shakespeare cannot be removed, so it has not been removed. Poetry, we have the following poems over here, so please check the list of the poems which are to be studied by the batch of class 2021, okay, class 10th, 9th and 10th students. So please have a look, 9th and 10th ICSE students, important, okay. The Heart of the Tree, The Cold Within, The Bangle Sellers, After Blenheim, Television, Daffodils, The Patriot, Abu Ben Adam, 9 gold medals. These are the list of poems, okay, that we need to study. So any guesses what has been removed? Yes, the Cage Birds. Yes, that has been removed. So it was a wonderful poem, The Cage Bird Sings. It was a really wonderful poem, but that has been removed. And I know why, The Cage Bird Sing, that was the full title. Yes, so that has been removed. So don't have to study that for the exam purpose, but I would really recommend you to read the poem and get an understanding of the poem, but it's because it's a wonderful, beautiful poem, right? So we have already done till television, right? So we've completed till television, and we will be coming up with the following poems very soon: Daffodils, Patriot, Abu Ben Adam and 9 gold medals, right? So we will be coming with these poems very soon. And we also have the prose, that is short story. And what is there in the short story? Chief Seattle Speech, still there. Old Man at the Bridge, A Horse and Two Goats, Hearts and Hands, A Face in the Dark, An Angel in Disguise, The Little Match Girl, My Greatest Olympic Prize, All Summer in a Day, right? So we have already completed till, yes, A Face in the Dark by Ruskin Bond. That was the last story that we did from the prose section. So now we will be doing the rest of the portion. And what has been removed? Guess again. blue bead. So that I think is a good news for you, because that many people actually, commented, ma'am, please make a video on blue bead, make a video on blue bead, but that has been removed now. So be happy. I think you all are happy, because that was, kind of a long story. So yes, thank you so much. I hope I've been able to make you happy with the good news. So thank you, and yes, don't forget to like and stay tuned, stay subscribed to get further notifications and further updates regularly. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. See you again.